Hello and welcome to another tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be how to do a French braid. This braid is especially great for the summer and those times when you want your hair away from your face. So you're going to start off with a section of hair at the top of your head, split this into 3, and you're going to take the outside strands over the middle strand. You're then going to add in a section of hair to the outside strand and take this over the middle strand. Do the same on the other side of your head, add in a section of hair and take that hair over the middle strand. Again, add in hair and add it to the outside strand, and then take this strand and put it over the middle strand. You're going to do this all the way down the back of your head until you have combined all your hair into the braid. The closer you keep your hands to your head, the tighter the braid will be. This is also a great braid to leave in overnight if you want wavy hair in the morning. When you've added in all your hair, you're just going to continue with a normal 3-strand braid. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, check out my other videos, and I'll see you again soon.